Brad, find your work, not your job. 23 years akong nasa aking job as a religious and values teacher. Noong 2022, I leave my job and become full-time to my work as a financial teacher and online content creator. What is job? Job is a journey of the broke. We earn money to pay our bills and retired broke. What is work? Work is doing what we love, kung saan tayo magaling, and help other people to find their purpose in life. How to find your purpose in life now before you retire? March 4, 2025, 7 p.m. Online mini retreat. You will learn, number 1, the 4 simple steps on how to find your purpose in life. Number 2, the 4 secrets to have a long and happy life. And number 3, how to turn your life purpose into your profession to earn money and become happy. If you are interested, type life purpose 347. I will send you the link. Kita tayo doon. Live God, Design Life.